So we're going to make some cabbage today with eggs, ginger and garlic. It's really simple. It's absolutely delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got about 7 or 8 cups there of white cabbage, chunky cut. A couple of decent sized tomatoes there. Try and use a nice juicy tomato. 2 cups of green onions, spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them. 1 cup of regular onions sliced. A tablespoon of garlic chopped. And 2 tablespoons roughly of ginger. You can see I've cut that into nice thin strips. We're going to be adding some salt and pepper, and of course I'll be using 4 eggs. So you're going to need a large skillet or a kind of wok type thing like I have here. In there I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a corn oil. You could use a different one if you want. We're going to drop in the ginger first, and you can see and hear that we're on quite a high heat. Then the garlic. And now the 1 cup of onion. Salt. Black pepper. We're going to go for 3 minutes, moving pretty much all of the time. Now time for the tomatoes. Nice juicy ripe tomatoes work best. 4 to 5 minutes. Again, on this high heat, so you're going to be stirring fairly often. Fantastic. Now time for our cabbage, white cabbage, chunky cuts. I mean, cut it smaller if you want. You can shred it up, but I like it like this. And again, we're going to be stirring fairly often, and we're going to go for about another 4 or 5 minutes. We're nearly there. This is simple, delicious. Okay, so I'm really happy with my cabbage here. Still got a bit of a bite to it, but it's definitely cooked. Next up, we're going to drop in the green onions. Well, I like to put about half of mine in now and cook them, and then I'll hold a few back just for the end. Along with 4 eggs that I've beaten. And then up to you how you want your eggs. I like mine fairly well done, so I'm going to go for about 3 to 4 minutes, stirring pretty much all the time now. Okay, so off goes the heat. I'm happy just there. You're just going to get those last bits of green onion just at the end, so we've got some cooked and some crunchy. Check that for salt and pepper. It's going to be great for me. If you wanted a little bit of fresh chili in there, maybe a touch of soy sauce, that's up to you. But for me, wonderful. Okay, and there she goes. Really, really simple ginger, garlic, cabbage with eggs. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.